Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to downgrade your iPhone 4S to iOS 6.1.3 from iOS 9.3.6. This is the Mac method. There is a separate Windows method out there, but today we'll be focusing on the Mac method. So things you will need: a 30-pin charging cable, make sure it's good quality, and then you'll obviously need your iPhone 4S, but you don't need this dock, it's just for video purposes. But then you will also need a Mac which is running 10.13 High Sierra or later. So let's get started. To start off, we actually need to install something on our iPhone first. So open up Safari and then go to the search bar and type jailbreaks/legacy.html. This keyboard is so small, so hard to type. Hit go and then it will take you to this website, jailbreaks.app, and then you will see install ever pwnage iOS 7.8.9. So you can click on install ever pwnage and then it will prompt you to install it, and then hit on install, and then you will find ever pwnage on here. But if you click it, you won't be able to open it. That is completely normal because it will say it's from an untrusted developer. So to fix that, you have to go into settings and then scroll to general, scroll down to device management, and then you will see the profile there, and then click on the profile, and then you are going to trust the profile. You will see I have already trusted, but if you didn't trust it, you will see a trust button. Just trust it, and then you will go to the home screen and then open ever pwnage, and then you will see this huge jailbreak button. Just tap on it and then it will start jailbreaking your device. It will restart on its own. That is exactly what's supposed to happen for the jailbreak to work. Once it has finished restarting, you can slide to unlock and then scroll to the right to this page, and then you will see Cydia. But if you don't see Cydia again, you have to go into ever pwnage and jailbreak your device again. If it still does not work, keep on doing the same thing until Cydia appears. It will appear there. Just tap on it and then it will load. It might have to refresh data on its own. Just let it do so, and then it might prompt you to upgrade. Just click on complete upgrade because that is actually going to install all the necessary packages for Cydia to work on your iPhone properly. So then once all of that is done, you are going to go into search and then tap on the search bar and then type KDFU app. You will see here, tap on it and then tap install, tap confirm, and it will install KDFU app on your iPhone. For the Mac also we need some tools. So here we have Legacy iOS Kit. This is the main downgrade tool we would need, and then we will need the iOS 6.1.3 iPSW. So I will leave a link to this in the description below, but you can go to this GitHub page from the link in the description, and this is actually where you'll end up. So you're going to click on releases, latest release, and then you're going to download the latest version of Legacy iOS Kit. Once it has been downloaded, drag it on your desktop and double click to open the zip file, and then you will see a folder here. So now you're going to go command space, type terminal, and then click enter, and then you will see a new terminal window pop up. So now you're going to type cd drop the Legacy iOS Kit folder into the terminal window and then press enter. And then now you're going to type /restore.sh, and now you can plug in your iPhone and then just unplug it and replug it. At this point you should get ready with the KDFU app you just downloaded from Cydia. So you can tap on it and then you can see these options. You are going to check all of these options, and then you are going to click on enter KDFU. So it will enter KDFU mode. Hit enter on your keyboard and then it will load this, and then because your device is plugged in, just unplug and replug your device and rerun the command, and then it will actually detect the device. But before that, we are going to update it. If it says to update, you have to click yes, because if you click no, it cannot run. Once it has finished updating, you can just rerun the command. And then it should detect the device in DFU mode, okay, DFU mode. So now we can see these options. You actually have to use your arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate. Your cursor won't work for this, so you're going to navigate to restore/downgrade, hit enter, and then you can see these options. You're going to select iOS 6.1.3, and then you're going to select download target iPSW. So this will actually download our iPSW file for us. So click on download, and then it will start downloading. Once the download has completed, you are going to press start restore, and then it will ask you if you want to jailbreak. I recommend you clicking yes, because it will save you a lot of time in the future if you want to jailbreak. So here it says memory option for creating iPSW. This is recommended to be selected if your Mac has more than 8 GB of RAM, because it will use the RAM itself to create the iPSW, and that will make it much faster. So it will start creating the custom iPSW. Let the custom iPSW be created, it won't take so long. So once the custom iPSW has been created, it will start restoring your device. On your iPhone, you should see the old iOS 6 Apple logo along with the progress bar. This is exactly what you should see. That means it is restoring to iOS 6.1.3. Now, for example, the process keeps hanging and it's not moving at all. That might actually be the Mac taking a long time to restore the device. Or it's an error. If it's an error, you just have to redo the process. And congratulations, you've successfully downgraded your iPhone 4S to iOS 6.1.3, and you can see the classic slide to unlock bar here. There we go. And then you can just set this iPhone up as normal. And I've successfully set up iOS 6. Now we can see the home screen. Look at that. It looks so realistic. So that's it for this video, and I hope this was an easy tutorial on how to downgrade your iPhone 4S to iOS 6.1.3.